Start by standing tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your chest lifted and arms extended straight in front of you for balance. Engage your core and slowly begin to bend your knees, pushing your hips back as if sitting into a chair. Lower down steadily, keeping your back straight and your weight on your heels. Don't let your knees go past your toes. Go down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Keep your arms forward and eyes focused straight ahead. Pause for a moment at the bottom of the squat, feeling the tension in your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Slowly start pushing through your heels to rise back up, keeping your core engaged and back straight. Bring your hips forward as you stand, fully extending your legs, and return your arms to the starting position. Repeat the movement smoothly, maintaining control and a steady pace with each squat. Focus on breathing. Inhale as you lower down, exhale as you push back up to standing. Finish by standing tall again, shoulders relaxed, and prepare for the next repetition with strong, controlled posture.